Hello, this is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear. We have a brand new boot. It's called Humpter B3. Humpter B3 made in Poland. It's made by the company called Humpter in Poland. It's one of the best DJ table I have ever seen myself. Very heavy duty, made by the best material in the world. So I'm gonna demonstrate it, show it to you how easy it collapsed and put it up together.
Okay, so most are around, but this is a big, you can have anyone. Right, like, so and feeling yeah, yeah, I mean, I live in Center City Philly right now, and it takes me 1 hour. Like, I've just been driving home. My God, 1 hour is not an issue.
Yeah, let's see if he come back. Let's see where to come back. I don't think you're. What's up?
It's highway. It's the Atlantic City Expressway.
Yeah.
Right. I basically get on and it's like, it's 50 miles. Exit. 50 miles. I like these two. He does sell just the